Oh my god, I haven't filmed with this camera in a minute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melda for those who don't know yet. And today we get to have another cleanup video. First of all, Happy New Year, Happy 2022. So my room is a mess again. And you may be asking, how do you even get your room this messy? I don't know. I actually do know. So right now it's super extra messy because I just filmed another video and I had to move things around. But usually it takes me quite some time to get myself to clean my room because due to some mental issues that I've been dealing with, I can't get myself to clean up my room properly. I do clean it, but not like deep clean. So this is going to be like a deep clean declutter video slash organization slash donating everything that I don't use anymore. Time lapse. It's just that I need a huge amount of motivation to get my room clean, to get things done. This is one of those times that I'm actually very motivated, especially because it's going to be 2022 in 2 days. I am so happy to start all over again, and I just want to start this year off fresh and decluttered and organized and just make this year the best year ever. So right now this is what my room looks like. I have lots of stuff in my closet too that you can't necessarily see in this clip right now. So give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet to see more videos of me. So let's hop right into it.
Red eyes, strobe lights moving across the walls. You're looking like a movie star, but I don't know just what you are. Seems like your type to be on the floor. You're looking for a kind of queen, the baddest one you've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister. Ooh, I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco. Ooh, so you say you're loving somebody else, that I am only for tonight. Yeah, you say you're gone and still you're in my bed. You're loving how I read your mind. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway. So you say, so you say, so I play, I don't love you anyway.
out my room for 2022. Actually, it is December 31st, so in a few hours we are actually going to enter 2022. So I'm very happy that I managed to clean up my room on time. I'm very happy with the result. I also decided to scan all my receipts and put them on my computer. I haven't done that yet because my laptop is currently still exporting the other hard drive that I want to get rid of. Right now I'm going to show you really quick what happened. I'm not going to go into detail because I would rather do that in a room tour video. So if you want to see that too, then comment that down below and I'm more than happy to make it for you. So I put all my skincare here. I put all my rose quartz here, my blue, green perfumes, crystals, and then all the earthy tones. And here's all my hair stuff. And then my makeup here. Still the same. I really want to get rid of it. Girl is resting right now. I don't know where to put her at the moment. I have filmed the entire video with this one, so she is on a break. And then all my books, but they won't stay, so I put half my geode here and then the other geode here. And this is the mirror. Hi. Closet. Lots and lots have changed. So all the way up there I put all my summer clothes. I folded them to create space, and then here we've got all my hanging clothes and my robe. So it's literally so little and I'm very happy with that because I don't like clutter at all. I've got all my belts, my jewelry, glasses, and then all my Swarovski jewelry right here. Here's all my underwear, all my socks here. And then here I've got my Oodie. My bags are in here, all of my bags. So then on this side we have my shoes, all my shoes. So this was actually a tip from a viewer on my previous cleanup video, and she was like, can't you do like a tension rod and then fold your clothes? And it was literally the best idea ever. These are all my grayish and earthy tone sweaters, and then all my black and colored ones. So here are more sweaters, but these are a bit thinner. Here I've got my t-shirt, bikinis, and then on this area I used to have my books here, but now I chose to only put my planner and the book that I'm currently reading here with a pen, and then my candle. I put a aura quartz here, and then under my bed I put my suitcase in the very end, my electronics, and then right here I've got all my pajamas, all my leggings, all my sportswear, and then right here we've got mostly like notebooks, and then some school supplies. This is my first aid kit. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If so, give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And I hope to see you next time, and also Happy New Year. Bye!